Hi, I'm Jen. I'm the founder of Lotus Trolley Bag. I'm coming to you from my living room in California, / our office, / home studio, where everything goes down. And I was so frustrated not only with plastic bags, but also those cheap reusable bags. They kept cluttering my closet and growing mold, and essentially I would always forget them at home. So I wanted to develop a system that solved for everything. So let me introduce you to the Lotus Trolley Bag and all the questions that I get and take you for a tour. 4 bags that spread right out in your cart. So now you have 2 hands to pack and organize your groceries. This one is a deep insulated bag, so it's going to keep all your frozen items cold for 2 to 4 hours. Never let that ice cream melt again. This bag is my favorite. Check this out. You got pockets here to secure 2 dozen eggs so they never break, and sleeves for wine or bottles or flowers. Keep those fragile secure. When you get to your trunk, to your car, everyone always asks me this. They just simply detach, and they each have handles, so they'll lift right out to put into your trunk. At home, once your groceries are all put away, they roll right up into this easy, lightweight carrier. It's compact, and the best thing is you can just store it right in your car so you will never forget your bags again. And another amazing feature that I'm asked about a lot is how can you clean them? And so these rods, they will remove right out, so you can put our bags in the washing machine on cold gentle and hang them to dry. For the cooler bag, don't put that in the machine, just wipe it down and it will disinfect itself with a wipe, easy enough. Another nice thing about the rods coming out is you can use them as a normal bag if you need them for the farmer's market or a grocery trip. So I just want to say thank you. We're so grateful for the response. We have the most amazing customers. And so thank you so much for joining us on our mission to eliminate plastic from grocery shopping.